Hello guys and welcome back to Code Crew. So today we are going to look at 5 VS Code extensions you need to know about in detail. Part 3. So let's first up open VS Code so I can show you the extensions you need to know about. Number 1, Live Server. I've told you about this many times, but for new viewers, Live Server is the GOAT. If I had one extension to download, I would download this. It helps you to open a development server directly within your browser so that you know what you're working with and understand your bugs better. Number 2, the C Sharp Dev Kit. If you work with C Sharp, you need this. Most people use C Sharp because of Unity. This adds support for Unity if you use the Unity extension too, so that you can use VS Code as if it were Unity. Now the next one is Error Lens. Right here. Now, for developers, when you have any bug in your code, VS Code shows you a small squiggly line. But that is never enough. Then you go into the console and search for the problem for like 7 million years and then finally find it and don't know how to fix it. Error Lens fixes that. You don't need to go into the console. If you hover your mouse over the bugged code, it will show you what to do, what is the problem, how to fix it, and how to avoid it again. And for people who spend day and night writing code, this is a must. Without it, your code will be very, very buggy. Now comes Code Snap. Right here. So imagine you have VS Code on your computer. You need to share VS Code with your team. What will you do? Now, most people, if they are in a company, they will have some type of server. But if you all are really far away, most people like to use WhatsApp, Reddit, Twitch, Discord. But when you take the screenshots, what do you take them with? Write it in the comments. I used to take them with my phone. And phone quality came so bad that half the code was buggy when it was written there. Then I started to use this snipping tool. But it is really slow. And sometimes you capture unwanted things. Code Snap, as it says, lets you take beautiful screenshots of your code. Okay, and now we are going to tell you another one. right here. GitHub Copilot. Now GitHub Copilot lets you work with more intelligent AI. Currently, I have this chat. When you actually run VS Code for the first time, it's really bad. The chat is really bad. And the reason how I got it to this level is GitHub Copilot chat. It syncs with your GitHub account, knows what you want to do, gives you answers. If you have to install like some libraries like Manin, if you want to, it tells you step by step how to do it. And that's the beauty of it. It is so good that you will never need to use any other extension for AI in VS Code again. And yeah, last but not the least, this is a special one. Python. When you download Python, you get IntelliSense pipelines, debugging, Python debugger, linting, formatting, refactoring, unit tests, and more. See everything. These Python debugger, pipelines, and Python environments. I all get this. And this is some really good news for developers who use Python. I'm going to show you something, okay? This is a Python file, and it would not have been possible without your Python extension. Now it will run. So, see. So the Python environments allows you to download libraries like I told you, Manin, NumPy. Right now it is using NumPy. So if you work with Python extension by Microsoft is your go-to. Without it, your Python experience will be terrible. Also, VS Code actually reaches out to you that if you want to use it properly, download the Python extension. And now that was for it, guys. If you want a part 4 of this series, tell me in the comments and I will do it. But till then, please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video, and comment on this video so that I get feedback and I feel supported. Thank you guys, and as always, goodbye.